Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw a snail. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw spiral in an oval shape. Draw an oval from small to big size. See, from inside the spiral is going outside, okay? Now draw curved slanted line and join with alphabet V curve. Now draw slanted line and join with that spiral shape. Next step is to draw two parallel standing lines and an oval for the first eye. Now draw another set of parallel lines and an oval for the second eye. Now from the neck, draw alphabet J curve and draw another curve and join the curve with spiral shape. Now draw triangle shaped curve Now draw a mouth and teeth. Draw a semicircle, an oval and a circle from small size to big size all over the spiral. Now draw a big curved oval for the leaves. Draw two slanted lines for the midrib. And slanted lines for the vein. Let's start coloring. Green color. Today I am going to use marker pen for the coloring. As I always say, do boundary first so that when you fill the color won't go outside. Start filling the color from one side to another side, line by line, so that you don't get white spaces. Brown color. Yellow color. light brown color, red color, dark green color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a Santa. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you.